Hello, my name is Jennifer Viteri. I live in Candelaria. I am 30 years old and I study system engineering. I like sport, I love running, and I hit basketball. These are my activities on a typical day. I wake up around 5:30 a.m. and I get out after a few minutes. I make my bed and they are brought my tea. I run for 45 minutes and then I take a shower. After that, I had breakfast and I go to work at 8 a.m. I ate lunch at noon with my husband. I left work at 6 p.m. and back home. Every day I study from 7 to 10 p.m. and finally I go to bed. Thank you very much.